Okay. What we did, the last question was?
You gave me question number 2 and 3 as homework, and the first one we did in class.
Okay. So you have any doubt over there? No, no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are going to do this one. So over here earlier you have two different A, B, C like this. But now you can see it is 118 to 126, then 127 to 135 like this. Okay. So what you have to do, the length of 40 leaves of plants are measured correct in 1 millimeter and the obtained data. Right. So first of all, you have to draw the histogram and then you have to answer this. Okay. So over here, histogram is always like this. This. Right? It is very close. For example, 0, then 10, then 20 like this. But over here, you can see that this is 118 and then 126. Then it is not 126. It is not in continuation. Right? So whenever you are getting something like this, what you are going to do? You are going to, it's 118. So you are going to subtract 0.5 from here and add 0.5 here. Clear? So when you will subtract 0.5 here, it will be 117.5. Right? And if you will add it over here, it will be 126.5. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you will subtract 0.5 from here, it will be 126.5. You will add it, it will be 135.5. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
it will look like this. And now numbers will remain same. Coming to histogram, how we represent it? See, over here it is 117. So you cannot take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 because it will be too long. Right? So
Yes,
over
ma'am.
here, you need to take the numbers from above 100. So you will make a kink. This is the breakdown line, right? This means that over here, there are so number like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like this. You will start it from 11, 117.5, then 126.5, whatever is written over here, right? This one you are going to write this line. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Right till here you wrote it. Till here you will wrote it 100 this 180.5 till here. Now you know this one is 3. So coming to this one you will represent as 3. This one is whatever it is, you will draw it like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is your first step? First of all, what you need to do, you are going to minus, subtract 0.5 from here. You are going to add 0.5 here. You will make your own table. Then you are going to make a histogram. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
first, what you are going to do, you make your own table. Okay? Subtract from here and add here 0.5. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I made the table.
Okay. Now one I will show you this how to draw the histogram. You will copy it accordingly. And the other one, like after that, you will be drawing your own histogram. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay. Now, the second one, what was the second question over here? It was, is there any suitable graphical represent for the same data? Then, is it correct to conclude that the maximum number of leaves are 153 millimeter long and wide? So, over here, other suitable graphical represent of data could be frequency polygon only. Okay, you cannot draw a bar diagram out of this because this is the histogram data. You can draw frequency polygon and know as the number of maximum leaf, that is 12, has their length in between 145.5 meter to 153.5. It is not necessary that all their length are 153. Okay, because this is the highest one, right? So you cannot say that it is going to be 153 only, but because it is in between this, right? So it can be anything. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this one is easy, I think, right? You don't have to convert it. It is already converted. 300 to 400, 400 to 500, like this. So you can quickly make a histogram.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Now, how many lamps have lifetime of more than 700 hours? Tell me.
Ma'am, 184?
184?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. You're over here, you made this kink line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because 100 and 200 you are not taking, right? You are starting from 300. So there's a gap. See, why we make a kink line? See, over here, what is the difference? It is 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. But from 0 to 300, there is a gap of 200. That's why you will make a kink line. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then 184. Yes, because over here, more than you will add all this. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, this one is basically what you have to do. You have to make a same graph by two frequency polygon. I'll just tell you what is this frequency polygon. Okay. You are aware how to make telegraph and the data. You are aware how to make bar graph. You are aware that how to make histogram. Now we will be doing the frequency polygon, which is very, very important. Okay. I'll just tell you about section A. Section B you will do on your own. Clear?
Yes.
So frequency polygon is basically, first of all, for frequency polygon, you need to make one more table. Okay, clear? That table will be class marks. This is marks. This will be class marks. Okay, how to find this class marks? 0 plus 10, this class mark. The formula is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 0 plus 10 divided by 2. So what you will get, 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Similarly, every time you will make this class mark. Here also you will make a class mark. Clear?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
coming to this, over here, you will make it 0 to 5, then 5 to 15, 15 to 25 like this. And the middle one. This will be your middle one. Okay. Over here, first of all, from 0 to 10, what is the thing? 5. So, from 0 to 10, what is the thing? It is 5. Okay. So, you marked it here. Right? And then 10 to 20, what was the thing? It was 15. So from this will be your 10, right? From 10 to 20, it is this. You will mark it here. Clear? Over here, what you have to do, you have to, for example, it's like 5 in between. Na? So you will make 0 to 5, 5 to 50, then this. 0 to, then 5, then 15, then 25, then 35, then 45. You are going to represent this, not this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I did, 0, 5. So for 5, when my class mark was 5, I have 3. So what you did, when was for 5, you made it 3, right? When the class mark was 15, I made it 9. So when it is 15, it is 9, right? When it is 25, it is 17. When it is 25, it is 17, right? So like this, when you will, what you will do, you will join all the lines. And similarly for B also, you will make a point like this and you will join. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This one you can copy. Okay. Just write the formula, class mark this. You will copy this. Okay, quickly. And after that, next one you will solve on your own. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Wait, first draw the this. Write the formula. This is question number 10.
Ma'am, I'm done.
In exam hall, when you will make, either you can use blue or black pen or make it dotted, okay, and make this simple. Okay, so
Okay,
that you
ma'am.
know by looking only, or you can use a color, red or blue, anything.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, now this one, okay. Now you see, this is going to be same, okay. First of all, with the you, what you need to do over here, you will make another table, right? And with this, you will represent this. Then with this, you will represent this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Earlier, it was two different tables. That's why you were representing this with this. But now, With this, you will represent this first. Then with this, you will represent this. Okay.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm done with this question.
Okay, Manal. So I hope. I think you didn't draw this, huh? Right?
No, ma'am, I did that as well.
Okay, okay. Okay, you have a book, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the question. Okay. Now I hope it was like this zigzag, 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 right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is the question. You have to draw the histogram. You will do this in homework. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Over here, what they are asking, first of all, this is what the width is given. Number of children are there. Okay. You will be simply drawing this. Ignore this. Okay. Draw it like this only.
Okay, ma'am.
Then again, this one also you can draw a histogram. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Now coming to this. This is very important. From the following numbers, you have to find the mean, median, and mode. Okay. So over here, first of all, what is a mean, ma'am? Okay. So first of all, you will give a heading mean and write down this formula. Sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Quickly write it down.
Okay, ma'am.
Just write mean and write this formula.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Now this is the question. These are the number. So very first thing is that you will be these numbers are given to you. What you have to do, you have to add all this number, right? And then you have to count the number. So sum of the observation 2, 3, 4. Very first step, whenever you are getting a number like this, what you are going to do, you are going to arrange them in ascending order, right? So first it will be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3 like this, right? Or what you can do, you can simply write it down. It doesn't matter. Okay, but if you will, you can say just make them in a ascending or descending order. That will be something very occupied. Okay. Or
Yes,
others,
ma'am.
you can directly put it 2, 3, 4. You will add all this plus how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So all the sum of observation divided by total number of observation. You will divide it and you will get the answer. That will be your mean. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly find out the mean for this. Add them and then divide it by 10.
Ma'am, is it 2.5, 2.8?
Yes. Now of this, we will find the median. Now what is the formula for median? See, These are the number. First of all, arrange them in ascending order. You arrange them 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3 like this. Okay. So from this, what you have to find, as 10th number observation is 10. 10 is the even number. So how many numbers are there? Tell me. This is 10. 10 numbers are there. Right? So if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have 10 numbers, so it is an even number. Okay. So even number, when you have odd number, the formula will be n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. This will be the formula. I don't have writing pad today. So, okay, I hope you can understand. Like
Yes.
IQ, you can get it, right? So when the numbers are odd, okay, but when the numbers are even, what you have to do, it is 10 plus this n plus 1 divided by 2, right? So over here, what are the number? It is 10 plus 1 divided by 2, right? So it will be 11 upon 2. Yes. And what will be the answer then? Tell me. Manal, you didn't get it, I think, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Just give me 1 minute. I'll just. Okay. Now, Manal, in median, you have to approach two things. Whenever you will get the numbers, first of all, you need to calculate the number. How many, what are the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In case if they are odd, okay, you will simply write n. N is number of observation plus 1 divided by 2. So, for example, if they are 11, it will be 11 plus 1 divided by 2. So, you got 12 divided by 2, which is 6. So, this is sixth one. So, you will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one. Clear? Sixth one is your median. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But in case if it is even, right? Here it is even because it is 10. Same. So 10 plus 1 divided by 2. What you got? You got 11 divided by 2. When you will solve it, you will get 5.5. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 5.5 is in between fifth and sixth one. That's why you wrote it here. Fifth observation plus sixth observation divided by 2. Fifth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Sixth one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2. So the median score is this 3. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what you are going to write? You are going to write, give the heading median. Okay. And after that write when n is odd. Then you will write the formula will be n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Then when n is even, then n plus 1 upon 2. Right. So dash plus dash divided by 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you got it. Whenever, because you will be getting in 0.5. So 5.5. You cannot take one number. So you will take 5 as well as 6. For example, it is 7.5. So what you will take? You will take 7 as well as 8. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So median. Now this is the question for you. This one. You have to find the median and tell me the median. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Manal, you wrote the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now find it.
Ma'am, I got 3.
Okay, very good. Now, this is what over here you have to find now mode. Coming to mode. Ma'am, how will you find the mode? Mode is who is repeating the most number of time, that is mode. So in this, which number is repeating the most?
3.
So what will be the mode? Mode will be
3.
3. So write mode 3. Okay. After
Okay.
this, you have this question. You have to find mean, median, and mode. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.